So I am here to guide you about the notebooks. As Satwinder ma'am has guided you about the books, how to name the books, I am here with a set of notebooks and I'll explain how to name these notebooks. As we have named the books E1 and E2, E1 and E2 for the books, and for the notebooks we are going to name this notebook as ER. ER is English Recap Notebook. बुक में हमने ए की प्रैक्टिस की, फिर इंग्लिश प्राइमर में की और इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस में की ए की प्रैक्टिस. उसके बाद हमने उसको रिवाइज करना है, रिकैप करना है. तो दैट रिकैप वी विल बी डूइंग इन द नोटबुक. So that's why we are going to name this notebook as ER. So with a permanent marker, I'll show you how to write. On one side of the notebook, you are going to write ER with a permanent marker. And if you don't have the permanent marker, on this page with the pen or sketch pen, you can write ER. And this English notebook, you have to buy only one English notebook with vertical lines in it. It should have the vertical lines. वर्टिकल्स इसलिए बच्चे को पता हो ये यहाँ पे ए लिखना है, इस कॉलम में आई हैव टू राइट बी, इस कॉलम में आई हैव टू राइट सी एंड डी. सो दैट्स व्हाई वर्टिकल लाइन्स आर मस्ट इन इंग्लिश नोटबुक. वन इंग्लिश नोटबुक you will buy and one maths notebook you will buy with medium size squares, and this notebook you will name as MR, Maths Recap, or you can write here. And you require one English, one maths and 3 drawing notebooks. 3 drawing notebooks like this. And these notebooks you will name as D1, second notebook as D2, and third notebook as D3. So एक drawing notebook खत्म हो जाएगी तो we'll start with the second notebook. Second खत्म हो जाएगी, we'll start with the third notebook. So 3 notebooks of drawing, 1 English and 1 maths. Hope the things are clear. Goodbye.